Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Unleashed podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Leo, and I'm really happy to have you here with me today. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing fine, just a little bit tired today. And no, it's not because of work. It's because of exercise. I went to the gym early this morning and tried a new class. Yoga. Yes, yoga. People always say yoga is relaxing, but not for me. Not today. My legs are tired, my arms are tired, everything hurts. But it's okay. The first time is always the hardest, right? And I really want to be healthy. Before I tell you more, let me remind you. If you enjoy listening to these conversations, please click the like button and subscribe to the English Unleashed podcast. We have new episodes every week to help you practice real, natural English. And don't forget to share this podcast with your friends. English is always better with friends. Now, let me tell you about my interesting weekend. On Saturday, I wanted to be productive. So, I cleaned my house, I washed the dishes, cleaned the floors, and then did the laundry. Yes, laundry. And guess what? I made a big mistake. I washed my new bright red shirt together with my white socks and white t-shirts in hot water. Well, my friends, my white clothes are not white anymore. They are pink now. Pink socks, pink t-shirts, everything pink. I looked at them and just laughed. Pink is not so bad. Maybe I'll start a new fashion trend. But trust me, I learned my lesson. Never wash white clothes with a red shirt. Speaking of funny moments, my Sunday was busy too. I went to my sister's house for dinner. It was her husband's birthday, and everything looked perfect. Roast chicken, potatoes, salad, delicious. But my sister has a new puppy. His name is Max. He is very small, very cute, and very fast. While we were eating, Max suddenly jumped onto a chair, then onto the table, and stole a big piece of chicken from the birthday plate. He ran under the sofa and ate it in seconds. Oh, poor Tom. No chicken for him. We all laughed so much. Puppies bring chaos, but also so much fun. Work this week was normal. A little busy. Many emails. I don't like writing emails, but it's part of the job. The good thing is we have a new colleague, Sarah. She was very quiet at first, very shy. So I invited her to lunch at a sandwich shop near the office, the one with the really good bread. We talked about movies and discovered we both love old films. After that, she wasn't shy anymore. Now we are good friends. It's nice to have friends at work. Of course, we also had a funny moment at the office. My friend Mark, the guy who is always clumsy, brought a big box of donuts. He walked in and said, "Breakfast is here!" But then he tripped on the carpet. The donuts flew into the air like rain. One donut even hit my computer. We all laughed and, yes, we still ate the donuts. The 5-second rule saved the day. Next week, I think I will try yoga again. I don't want to quit so soon. And I definitely need to buy new white socks because the old ones are very pink now. For the weekend, I might just relax and watch a comedy movie. I love movies that make me laugh. And on Saturday morning, I need to go to the supermarket because my fridge is empty. Only ketchup and water. I'll buy real food this time. And maybe some cookies. Life is about balance. Apples and cookies, yoga and donuts. Talking to you always makes my day better. I forget about my tired muscles and my boring emails. I hope listening to these stories helps you practice real conversational English, natural English, not textbook English. Before we finish, I have a question for you. Do you have a funny pet story like the one with little Max? Or have you ever had a laundry disaster like my pink socks? Tell me in the comments. I love reading your stories, and it's a great way for you to practice writing. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the English Unleashed podcast for more fun conversations. Have a wonderful week, take care of your laundry, and good luck with your exercise. See you next time. Goodbye.